Hello friends, today I am going to solve problem number 10 of the textbook. So let us continue the problem. First we'll read the trial balance. We are having two partners, Shipra and Manisha. They are sharing their profit and loss in the capital ratio. So now the capital of the partner is 90,000 and 30,000. So the ratio is 3:1. You are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date. Now we'll read the trial balance. Sundry debtors, they are the assets. Purchases, trading account debit, furniture, assets, plant and machinery, assets, wages, trading account debit side, salaries, profit and loss debit, discount, profit and loss debit, bill receivable, asset, carriage outward, profit and loss debit, postage, profit and loss debit, sales return, minus from the sales. Cash in hand is assets, cash at bank is assets, insurance, profit and loss debit, opening stock, trading account debit, trade expense, profit and loss debit, warehouse rent, profit and loss debit, advertisement, profit and loss debit, building assets. On the credit side, we have sales, so trading account credit, rent, profit and loss credit, creditors, liability, purchase term, minus from purchase, discount, profit and loss credit, bills payable liability, capital account. We are having here fixed capital method. So the capital account are directly transferred to balance sheet on the liability side. And current account of Shipra and Manisha that we are going to transfer on the credit side of partners current account. Now in our trial balance, we are not having any secret adjustment. Now we'll do the adjustments. Closing stock as usual 37,000. Two effects, trading account, credit and balance sheet assets. Sales include sale of machinery 2,000, which is sold on 1st April 2018. This is the rectification of errors. Okay. We sold machine of 2,000 on the first day of the year, but by mistake it was included in the sales. So we have to subtract from the sales. Okay, sorry, sales included. So we have to subtract from the sales. We have to subtract from the machinery. Depreciate fixed assets. So we are having three fixed assets here. Furniture is there. Then we are having building is there. So whatever fixed assets are there, that we have to depreciate. Okay. Yeah, plant and machinery is there. Then each partner is entitled commission at 1% of the gross profit. So that we'll calculate on the gross profit, and interest on capital will be charging on the fixed capital. Outstanding expense, we are having wages, salaries, and we have a doubtful debts 3% of the debtors. So we'll do the tick mark, that is marking. So debtors we have to do marking because it is in the formula. Furniture we have to do marking for depreciation. Plant and machinery we have to do the marking. Wages we have to do marking because there is outstanding wages. Salaries we have to do marking because there is outstanding salaries, and building again for depreciation. On the credit side, sales we have to do marking because now we are having one sale of machinery included in sales. So that we have to subtract. So we have done the proper marking, and now we'll move to the solution. So in the solution, first now we'll see that at the top we are writing name of the partners, then we are writing the heading, trading account, profit and loss account for their ended 31st March 2019. Then we are writing the formula for the bad debts on the debit side, and on the asset side we are writing the formula of the bad debts. Then we are opening current account, and capital is directly transferred. Okay. Now we'll see the sum and we'll transfer our next step. Which steps we have followed? Prepare the format, marking of the trial balance. Now third, transfer each and every item of the trial balance. So sundry debtors 28,000. Sundry debtors 28,000 in the formula we are transferring on the asset side. Then we are having purchases. So trading account debit side, purchases inner column 55,000. Then we are having furniture. So furniture will be showing on the asset side. So furniture on the asset side, inner column 38,500 because there is a depreciation. All fixed assets are to be depreciated. Plant and machinery, again, inner column 60,000, because all fixed assets are to be depreciated. Now we are having wages and salaries. So wages in the trading account in the inner column, and salaries in the profit and loss account in the inner column. Now discount on the debit side of profit and loss account, we are having discount. So discount is 800 on the debit side of profit and loss account. Then we are having bill receivable. Bill receivable is asset. So on the asset side, we will show bill receivable. $14,400. Then we are having carriage outward. That is carriage on sales. Profit and loss debit side. Postage again in the profit and loss account. It is also office expense. So 500 in the profit and loss account. Then we are having sales return. So we are subtracting from the sales. 500 we are subtracting from the sales. Then we have a cash in hand and cash at bank. Both we are transferring to the asset side. So we are having cash in hand 4,000 and cash at bank 47,000. Now on the debit side we have insurance. So insurance we are writing 2,000 on the debit side of profit and loss account. Then opening stock 17,800. So opening stock in the trading account on the debit side, first item of trading account. Then trade expenses, again profit and loss debit side. So in the profit and loss debit side, 1,500. Warehouse rent. Warehouse is related to sales. So all sales expenses are transferred to profit and loss account. So in profit and loss account on debit side, we are having warehouse rent 2,500. Advertisement, again profit and loss debit. So advertisement 1,000, profit and loss debit. Building 20,000. So building is our asset. So on the asset side, we will show building 20,000 inner column. Now we have completed the debit side. Now we'll see the credit side. Sales is 1,20,000. So sales in the trading account 1,20,000 on the credit side. Then we have rent 1,800. So rent is income. So on the credit side of profit and loss account, rent on the credit side means rent is the income. Creditors is a liability. So on the liability side, we'll transfer this on the liability side, 38,500 on the liability side. Then we have purchase return. So subtract from the purchase. So purchase minus purchase return. So on the debit side of trading account. Then we are having discount credit. So on the credit side of profit and loss account, discount is 500. Then we have bills payable 9,000. So 9,000 is a liability. So on the liability side, we will show 9,000 as liability. Then we have capital of Shipra and Manisha 90,000 and 30,000. So we'll show directly this in the capital account 90,000 and 30,000. $90,000 and $30,000. Then we have a current account of Shipra and Manisha, 5,000 and 3,000 credit balance. So in the current account on credit side, 5,000 for Shipra and 3,000 for Manisha. So each and every item of trial balance is transferred how many times? Once only. Now we'll see the adjustments. Closing stock 37,000. So trading account, credit side, we are having closing stock 37,000. And second effect, balance sheet, asset side 37,000. Second adjustment, sales included sale of machinery, which is sold on 1st April. So this is a rectification. So we are going to subtract 2,000 from sales because it is not related to the sale of goods. It is related to sale of machinery. So 2,000 we have to subtract from the sales, and at the same time 2,000 we have to subtract from the plant and machinery because we have sold the plant and machinery. So it was included in sales, so that is why we have subtracted. And it is a sale of plant and machinery, so we are subtracting it. One debit effect and one credit effect. Then depreciation on fixed asset. So let us see all the fixed asset 5%. So we are having, which are the fixed assets? Plant and machinery. First is furniture. So furniture fixed asset at 38,500. So at the rate of 5% is 1925. Then 5% of 58,000 plant and machinery. That is the second depreciation. And third, 5% of 20,000 building. That is the third depreciation. And all these three we are showing on the debit side of profit and loss account. Now each partner is entitled to get commission, that we'll see later on. Now interest on capital 5%, that we'll see. So 5% of 90,000 and 5% of 30,000. So 4,500, 5% of 90,000 and 5% of 30,000 is 1,500 credited to the current account. And second effect we are giving here in the profit and loss account on the debit side. So that 1% we are going to calculate. Outstanding expense, wages and salaries, 200 and 500. So outstanding wages 200 added, and outstanding salaries 500 we are adding, and both we are showing on the liability side. Now provision for doubtful debts, 3% on the debtors. So debtors are 28,000, 3% of that is 840. So 840 we are subtracting, and 840 we are writing on the debit side of profit and loss account. This is the only figure. There are other figures are missing. Bad debt is not there, new bad debt is not there, old reserve is not there, only 840 is there. Okay. Now what is remaining? Closing stock over, sales of machinery is over, depreciation is over. Only 1% commission on GP we have to calculate. So for that we have to close the trading account. So let us close the trading account. Okay. In the trading account, sales minus sales turn minus sale of machinery is 117,500. And on debit side, purchase minus purchase is 54,000 and wages both 1,000. Now the credit total is 1,54,500 and debit total is 72,800. Credit is excess. Okay. So the difference on the debit side, 81,700 is a gross profit. So now 81,700 is the gross profit on the debit side. That gross profit is brought down here. And now we are supposed to calculate what we are supposed to calculate 1% commission on gross profit. So 1% of 7280 is 728. Sorry, 1% of 81,700, that is 817 to both the partners. So 817 to Shipra and 817 to Manisha. So this is the commission which is due to the partners and it is credited again to the partners in the capital account. Sorry, in the current account. Okay. So now trading account is over. Now profit and loss account credit side total is 84,000. Debit side our RDD figure is 840. Salaries are 4,000. Then our depreciation is 5,825. Our commission to partner is 1,634 and interest on capital is 6,000. So the credit side total is 84,000 and debit total is 27,599. So the credit is excess than debit. So the difference is 56,401, which is a net profit. So our net profit is 56,401, which is to be distributed between the partners in the ratio of 3:1. Okay. So it is coming the fraction 1 rupees we are giving to Shipra. Okay. So now we'll transfer this profit to the current account for Shipra and for Manisha. 42,301 profit and second 14,100 is another profit. Okay. Now we'll close the capital account. Capital account credit side is heavy. So the total of the credit side is 52,618 and 19,417 for Manisha. So these particular totals we have to transfer on the liability side, 52,618 and 19,417. So the total is 72,035. So now these are the two totals. Outstanding is 700. On credit side, we have the formula of debtors. Outer column 27,160. Furniture 36,575 and plant and machinery 55,100. Building is 19,000. So we'll do the total of the debit side. Total of the liability side. So the total of liability side is 2,40,235 and total of the asset side is 2,40,235. So this is the way we are solving the problem and at the end it should tally. Now the important point in this particular problem was the rectification, that is sale of machinery included in the sales. That was the first part. Okay. And second was the commission on gross profit, 1% commission on gross profit to the partners. So these are the two important points. Plus there is the presence of current account. Okay. Now friends, you can solve this sum in your notebook and you can do the practice for solving the sum. Okay. Thanks.